Today was another Foodbank truck day, and I thought I would show you what I get. I got a bag full of green onions, a little past use by, but they're still good. I got 2 bags of romaine hearts. I got 3 bags of seedless sweet peppers. Mini sweets. I got 2 bags of Dole chopped bacon Caesar salad kits. I got 2 more of these baguettes. I got 8 apples and 7 onions. I also got a 10-pound bag of red potatoes and 2 large heads of cabbage, which are still in the car. It's cold weather outside, so they'll keep better in the car than they would in here in the floor. Anyway, this is what I got today. I'm grateful for all my blessings. Until next time, take care, be safe. Bye-bye.